Piece of cake, something very easy to do. Example, don't worry, the math homework is a piece of cake. Break the ice, to initiate conversation or relieve tension in a social setting. Example, playing games is a good way to break the ice at a new school. Cost an arm and a leg, very expensive. Example, that new video game console must have cost an arm and a leg. Kick the bucket, to die. Example, I was sad when my fish kicked the bucket. Hit the hay, to go to bed. Example, it's past your bedtime, time to hit the hay. Bite the bullet, to endure a painful experience or do something unpleasant. Example, I didn't want to go to the dentist, but I had to bite the bullet. Under the weather, feeling sick or unwell. Example, I can't go to school today, I'm feeling under the weather. A piece of my mind, to share one's honest thoughts or opinions, often forcefully. Example, I gave my brother a piece of my mind when he broke my toy. Spill the beans, to reveal a secret. Example, don't spill the beans about the surprise party. A dime a dozen, very common or easy to find. Example, those toys are a dime a dozen, you can find them anywhere. Hold your horses, wait or be patient. Example, hold your horses, dinner will be ready soon. In hot water, in trouble or facing consequences. Example, I was in hot water when I forgot to do my chores. Straight from the horse's mouth, directly from the original source. Example, I heard about the party straight from the horse's mouth, Sarah told me herself. All ears, fully listening or paying attention. Example, tell me what happened, I'm all ears. Out of the blue, unexpectedly or without warning. Example, he called me out of the blue to invite me to his birthday party. A drop in the bucket, a very small amount compared to what is needed or expected. Example, the money we raised is just a drop in the bucket compared to what we need for the charity event. Cost a pretty penny, expensive. Example, that new bicycle must have cost a pretty penny. Catch someone's eye, to attract someone's attention. Example, the colorful artwork caught everyone's eye at the gallery. Cry over spilled milk, to be upset about something that cannot be changed. Example, don't cry over spilled milk, just clean it up and move on. Burning the midnight oil, working late into the night. Example, I had to finish my project, so I was burning the midnight oil last night.